Hi everyone, as you can see, welcome back to HighFiveHive, Nature's Remedy. My name is Kasharian Kirk, and we are on part 2 of our garlic and olive oil ear oil. We're going to turn it off and we're going to strain it. For those who are new, welcome. For those who are returning, thank you. All right, everyone, here we go. Thank you again for joining me. We are going to do the last steps to complete our DIY, your do-it-yourself home remedy recipe for garlic infused ear oils. Okay, and so it's been infusing for 72 hours, maybe a little bit more on my end. And as you can see, we've dated it, and we have our olive oil, St. John's wort, St. John's wort flowers, mullein flowers. Okay, and our last ingredient that we need to add, according to our recipe, is for if you're doing the 2 ounces, would be the 5 drops of lavender essential oil. And so again, I have tripled my recipe, so I'm going to add 15 drops when we get there. But the first step is we're going to strain it. And you can use cheesecloth um, strainer, but I like to use a combination of the strainer and the nut bags when for making nut milk, you know. And I like to thread my strainer through it so it gives me like a double strain here. Kind of helps me to decrease the, messiness with it. It's kind of cute. So again, so you want to strain your oil in here. Just like that. Smells so good. Like, I don't know, pizza? Look at that color. Isn't that pretty? I like working in the kitchen because I work by the sunlight. It's not so much sun today, but it's nice. The wind's blowing and I can look in my backyard. We're letting that strain. So while that's straining, we could talk about lavender, the last ingredient that we're going to add to that before we bottle it. And we're adding it at the end because if you add it with the heat, it will dissipate and lose its properties. But lavender is one of the most popular essential oils in the whole world. And it's renowned, for its calming, soothing properties. And it comes from the flowers of the lavender plant. And it smells so divine. And it's good for relaxation and stress relief. So it also is used as a pain reliever. So lavender oil, can help relieve headaches. So like if you have it in a salve, which that's our next project, and you put it on your temples and rub it in, it can help with headaches. It can also help with muscle pain and arthritis pain. So lavender is really good. And so, and it smells divine. So we're going to add this to that as soon as it slows down draining. We could squeeze it, but I'm going to let it drain. And I start off with 6 ounces of oil. It's already at 5. Let's see. So I like putting it like this way because it's kind of, like I said, a double strain, straining from the top and the bottom. But it's also a good way if you want to squeeze the contents. You can just pull the bag over it and squeeze it out the reverse way. Works pretty good. But I don't want tremendously oily hands. So I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is sit it over this stainless steel bowl and let it drain in there to continue, and I can squeeze it later. Okay. Look at that. Not too shabby, right? Okay. And again, it smells nice. So I have my lavender essential oil. And again, I use Laguna Moon. If you can see that. Laguna Moon. And I'm going to put 15 in mine. 5 if you're using 2 ounces. 1, 4, 15. And an extra one because, you know, I like lavender. Now, where's my glass? See, I moved my glass stirrers. Oh, that smells. See, and it takes the garlic smell away, and it smells like lavender now. Okay, we're back. So we're going to stir it in. I buy my bottles in bulk from Amazon. I love Amazon. Amazon is your friend. They have just about everything. So we're going to bottle it now. Move this over here so you can see. Smells just like lavender. And then you want to store this at room temperature. This is a 2-ounce bottle. Correction, it's a 2-ounce dropper bottle. Now you want to put the top on it. Want to be careful because just in case it overflows. I have a tendency to do that. I've done it enough to know that that's going to overflow. So let's not go there. All right. It's probably 1 ounce is left, but that's usually whatever's not, I'll keep for the house because it won't fill a whole bottle. So because I right now my volume is low. It's, you know, not a big, huge volume. So I do my labels by hand. I am investing in and also researching in another labels because I want to get the ones that go around, all the way around. But right now, this works wonderful for me, and they're pretty, and I can pick them. And so I've already created the back part, and so you always want to make sure that you label what's in it, which is the garlic, the St. John's wort flowers, the mullein flowers, the olive oil, the use by date is on there, if you can see that. How to take it, that's not required, but if I am comfortable with being to label it where I feel you would understand it, I'll do it. And then the amount that's in there. So it has the 2 ounces, how much is in the bottle. So we're going to print that label. Going to print 3 because I know I'm going to have a partial bottle. Voila! Labels made! Oh, so quick. Oh, that was so hard. So then now, the fun part is not obsessing if it's a little crooked. That take practice. Trust me. I've changed these labels so many times. I'll probably do it again. So I look at it as if I'm the purchaser and how I would like for it to look all beautiful. So that part's on. Then you want to put the front label for the name. However, I haven't quite come up with a name yet. So feel free if you have an interesting name for this that you would like to drop in the box. And if I choose it, I'll send you a free bottle. Of course, you'll have to like and subscribe so I'll be able to contact you. Catch 22. But so I won't label this yet until I get a name. Or if I don't get any replies, I'll make a lovely name for it. But I'm sure some lovely person is going to give me some suggestions. Okay, so that is that. So it's now bottled, it's labeled, everything's completed. I hope you enjoyed our time together. It was fun for me. I love doing, putting the different tinctures and herbs and sounds. So my next one, look forward to, is lavender oil. And then I'm also going to show you how to take that same oil and make a nice salve for the headaches and rub on your skin. For those that like salves, and then you can leave it at the oil stage for those that like oils to put on after a nice soothing bath. All right, so there you have it. Thank you again for watching HighFiveHive, Nature's Remedy. Until next time, be blessed.